Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damaris, and today I bring you another house tour of a house going for rent at 64,500 Kenya shillings. So if you want to know how much that is in US dollars, you do the conversion by dividing by 130 so that you can get the conversion into US dollars, then you can know how much money that is in your currency. So guys, we have two bedrooms going for rent in this particular block here. So from the look from the outside, I know you have already known that I'm in Tatu City. So we have two houses going for rent. I want to show you how they are looking inside so that you can see what 64,500 Kenya shillings can give you in Tatu City. So guys, welcome to today's house tour. So in the description box you get the prices and my contacts. So if you want to rent these houses, you can always reach me so that you can get this to rent these houses. So if you have watched my previous video, you have seen a tour of two different houses. They're not the same as these ones. So there's a slight difference from these ones. So once we get in the house, we will know those differences. So welcome in, guys. This is our first house of the day, going for 64,500 renting. So this is the living space, very spacious, definitely depending or comparing to the previous two houses I have shown in this channel. So the difference from the previous two houses is this extra space right here, this molding. It makes the kitchen look slightly bigger. It's an open plan kitchen with a living space here and a laundry space. So this space here really feels deep and more spacious. So it has a router, so there's Wi-Fi and a laundry space. And also a place to hang your clothes. So there's also like an exterior or an outside hanging line. So you've seen the laundry. This is how it's looking. Then we have the kitchen, very spacious kitchen. With cabinets, modern cabinets, sink area. This feels so private. With water. Then we have more cabinets. Here we have a counter. We have socket here. And then we have the cooker area. You can do your cooker on this side or even on that side if you want. So this is the living space. So let's check out the bedrooms. So all bedrooms are en suite. So that's why it's slightly expensive than the previous two houses I have shown on my channel. So this is the first bedroom, very spacious, honestly, comparing to the other two houses. But it also depends on your budget. So if this is within your budget, you have a very spacious house, very private. The location is more private. The wardrobes are also more spacious or bigger. So this is one of the bedrooms. En suite and so we have these shelves here, marble shelves, and then we have this modern sink, very beautiful. There's water actually. So then toothbrush holder, we have a toilet, it's a very clean toilet, shower area. It has a lower level, that way tissue holders, chrome pipe for hanging your towel holder. We have the shower there. And then we have a mirror here. Of course, I don't want you guys to see me, so there's a mirror on that side. So let's check the second bedroom. So this was the first bedroom. Let's check the second bedroom very fast. So our second bedroom, so this is the master also. You can see there's a door here for privacy. So the toilet is inside. So we have another toilet here, which is more of a common toilet because it can be accessed by guests. So it has a shower area on this side, and then it has a toilet. It has the shelves, this sink, and the mirror, and also it has this towel holder and of course the toothbrush holder. So this is the second bedroom, the kids' room, I suppose. So this is how it's looking. It's also very spacious, although the wardrobes are a bit small. So that's how the wardrobes for the second bedroom are looking. So yes guys, that has been the first house tour. So I want to combine the two houses in this house tour. So I usually get comments that my voice is a little bit low. So guys, I'm working on getting a microphone for this camera. So that's something that is we are working on. There's a little bit of echo, so probably in a few days, a few contents, I'll be having the mic. So please bear with me. And I also have some cold. So this is, let me give you one more tour again, like the whole house. This is the living room with an extra space right here, which feels very, very spacious. The kitchen looks or feels spacious. I love the black tiles and the artwork that has been done here. So the kitchen is more spacious. And the lights, we have the laundry area on this side. We have the living room there. We look at the first bedroom, master ensuite with a toilet, very spacious bedroom with sliding windows. So, and the second bedroom, right here with a slightly smaller wardrobe size, and of course the common toilet. Yeah, so this is how the first house looks like, going for rent at 64,500 Kenya shillings. So let's check our next house. So this is our next house, more brighter compared to the one that we left. This is the living room. So you can let me know which of these two houses you prefer. And I have some people asking if they can buy these houses instead of renting. And yes, I have houses going for selling, going for buying, or going for sale. So you can also like drop your comment if you're interested in buying the houses. You can also reach me then I can give you more information how you can buy these houses and probably put them on Airbnb. So this is the second bedroom, this is the living space. So the balcony is on this other side, unlike that one. So it has a balcony on this side with a view to the neighborhood. So this is the living space. Let's check the kitchen. I love how the sockets have been installed everywhere in the house. This is the kitchen. So this one has lights. So there was someone who was living in these houses before. That's why you don't see the bulbs on. So this is the kitchen with a countertop. The countertops look more modernized and more beautiful in this house. So which of the two houses do you want to rent? You can book as soon as now, and I can let you know if it's available for renting. So all these two houses going for 64,500 Kenya shillings. So the previous house, it's slightly negotiable to 62,000 Kenya shillings. This one is at 64,500. So this is the kitchen, feeling so modern with a sink. Of course, we have to test if there is water or you're coming to buy water. There is water. Cabinets. Let's check the laundry. Also, there is this space that I was telling you about, which makes the kitchen feel more spacious. So let's check the laundry and then we check the bedrooms. So this is the laundry space. Very serene. The kitchen, back to the kitchen and the living space, the balcony and the master. Let's check the master ensuite. The master ensuite looks like this. Which of the two houses do you prefer? I honestly prefer this one. It feels more spacious and the location is more ideal for me. So this is the second bedroom. You can even notice, no, this is the first bedroom, the master ensuite. With us very spacious wardrobes and the window to the outside. So let's check the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom with a common toilet. So it has the same design. So I don't know if I was able to put on the lights for you guys so that you can see how this first bedroom looks, bathroom looks like. So that's how the bathroom for the first bedroom looks like. And the bedroom, let's check the common toilet. So we check the second bedroom. So the organization here is a little bit different. So you can see the wardrobes are on that side. So which of these two houses would you prefer? So drop a comment and let me know what you think or what you prefer between these two houses. So Yeah, these two houses, as I have mentioned, they are going for 64,500. The previous house is slightly negotiable to 62,000, and this particular house is going for 64,500 Kenya shillings. So drop a comment and let me know which of these houses you prefer. I honestly feel like I prefer this one because of the details that have been paid in the finishings, and also it feels a little bit spacious. So besides getting a unit here, there's a swimming pool, there's a gym, there's a supermarket, which is 2 minutes walk from this house. The security is also well, it's top-notch security, and the environment is very serene. So if you're looking also to buy a house or a unit in Tatu City, either you want to buy land or you want to buy a house, you can always reach me and I can help you get yourself a unit here in Tatu City. And if you're also selling or renting yours, you can also reach me so that we can get to list it here on Damaris properties. So because you never know who is watching. So thank you guys for watching to this end. Let me know what you think, and see you in the next one. Bye. So my numbers are on the description box below. So thank you guys and bye.